in action. We're back in the action, boys. Now y'all gonna want to hold on to your panties for this one because we're about to get real wet. Oh, shit. I missed my face. Oh, I got my other face. Oh, no. My self-portrait. Oh, shit. Be right back in a second. Batman intro, please. We got that clip downloaded on my computer. I'm not gonna not use it. Anyway, boys, today we got a wild video. This is by request. You guys know we've done these videos in the past, and it's called buying things that shouldn't be sold on certain websites. We've done Wish before, and I thought, you know what? Let's do AliExpress this time. So backstory real quick on this video. As you guys know, in some videos, I record myself buying these things on the computer. We screen record them, and I shop along with you guys. I did that, but I got really stoned that video, and I don't know if I hit record or if I deleted it accidentally. So we don't have that. Things are in the mail, and I got stoned again. It's illegal in Canada, but I did that because usually when I buy things when I'm a little bit STONED, I should unbox them the same way. So I think they're equally as funny as when I bought them. So that's literally all I have to say about this. I don't know what I got. I can't remember. I don't have the video to look back at. I got the purchase history, but I don't want to do it. I want it to be a surprise. So with that being said, the request has been taken. We're gonna get into this unboxing pretty quick. Of course, y'all know Name Brand Fam's real strong. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time. Speaking of Name Brand Fam, there's a link there's a link down below to namebrandfam.com. It's our new website. We got a bunch of cool rings on there like this one. This one's real, so it costs you a couple G's. But the ones on the website, they're either free, you pay a little bit of money. Anything free on the website, from phone cases to slides to watches to chains, whatever. They're free. You just gotta pay shipping, obviously. Your boys gotta make a little money so that I can turn out like Dan Bilzerian one day. Bang a lot of bitches. Anyway, go check out namebrandfam.com. It's down below. You know, we're here for the boys, and namebrandfam.com is really here for you. You know what I mean? I'm trying to pitch this pretty well, but I don't even remember the last sentence I just said. I don't smoke that often. I hate it, actually. But I do it for the boys, I guess. Sorry, boys. I had to go get my party outfit on for this one. You know what they say, it's not a party if you're not dressed like a complete dick. Without further ado, if you guys enjoy these videos, leave a thumbs up down below. Anything that I get in here that I maybe am allowed to give away, I will give away. So if you guys want anything, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and my Instagram's right here. Go follow it, leave me a message saying that you did that. That's how I pick you guys, and so I get rid of all this crap that I buy for videos. This one's intriguing, boys. We got a little plastic wrap around it. It's like Christmas for me. Yeah! What? This is not... That's not supposed to be sold on the internet. I told you guys, man, I was a little under the weather. Catch what I'm saying when I was doing this video. So I guess first thing we have is headphones, which is crazy because I'm trying to buy a new Xbox or whatever. So I've been wanting a headset. I totally didn't know that I bought this, but this looks kind of sick. We got the camera right here. We got the input. Honestly, bro, it's only right we test her out. I don't have an Xbox to test her on yet, but I think this might go on the computer quite nicely. We'll give her a try. Or maybe in my phone. Yeah, we'll try my phone, actually. Just picking something to put on. You know, also, it's not that noticeable on your face. Alrighty. I wish y'all could hear this, man. It's pretty good. I'm listening to Biggie Smalls. You know, it's not that bad. Bit of a failure on that one. We'll get into the next one right. Oh, I think I can kind of tell what this is just by the feel of it. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we got right here, boys. I might have to blur this. I'm not even sure. We got a f***ing gat. Blah, 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 blah. Very sick. I think I dig it a lot. Fake, obviously. I'm gonna blur this because I don't want to get stuff taken down. Everything that I've been putting out lately has been demonetized, so we're trying to get a little bit of money. Next up, sorry for going a little fast, boys, but we've got quite a few things here. I think, yeah, this is the one I actually do remember. I don't know why I remember this one and really nothing else, but what we have here, oh, I know why. It's a fake stack of money. Now, this actually, yeah, this probably shouldn't be sold online. It is not illegal because if y'all can see, it's just like this, but it's good prop money. I think I really wanted this for a new YouTube video or something like that. Also, if you're trying to go to the STRIP club, start throwing these out. I don't recommend it because it's illegal, but if you do it, who knows what happens? You know what I mean? Maybe there's a video coming soon. I don't know. I brought a Supreme money gun, if you guys know what that is, the thing that shoots money, into STRIP club one time, and I got kicked out pretty fast. Just a quick little thing. I think it's kind of dope. We got 10 G's in the stack right now. That sounded super gangster. I'm kind of fine with how I said that, actually. Vape. Quick trick. I've been working on that one. Hopefully you dug it. Next. This one feels like a book, bro. I don't even know where I'm getting here. Sister, oh God. All right, so, okay, this makes sense. I got this, I guess, and that whole phase of James, what's his name? Yeah, James Charles, with all those weird things that was going on. I don't follow drama, I don't care. I just know there's drama there. So we have Sisters, and then we have James Charles adult coloring book. What the fuck? I don't even want to look at that, actually. We got coloring book right here, and then we have his book. I think these must be rip-offs or something if they're on AliExpress, but there's one use for this real quick. Check that out. You ever heard James Charles? How about James Charles? Nah, nothing? Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch! Fuck! Okay. Alright, next up, boys, we're gonna get into this long guy real quick. I don't know what this is. I'm kind of freaked out. It's either a samurai sword, which would be awesome, or maybe like a giant dildo. So, next up. What the f? This might be, I don't know if this is supposed to be sold on there, if it should or shouldn't, but I'd love to call this, I guess, iShopped STONED online, and this is what I bought, but that'll get demonetized. I'm a skeleton, bro. What the f is this? Looks like a child skeleton, so that's fucked up. Alright, so this one, oh God damn it! Alright, boys, it's gonna have to be blurred. Oh! I totally remember what I was thinking about this one. Alright, blurred, it's one of those vibritiara for girls. You know, one of those? I don't know, if I say it in French, it's probably good. I totally remember this now. I was shopping online and Ian shares a car with his parents. I was gonna put that in the glove box and prank him. I just thought it'd be funny. Okay, so, but I don't know what this is. Okay, so that comes out as a lighter. Oh, God! It's a witch's baton. Oh, maybe I was trying to do a magic trick. I could see that. I could see myself. I think this is a magic trick stick. Alright, so I'm walking up at the bar. Oh, here's a girl over here. You want to see a magic trick, honey? Oh, of course I do. Your name brand. I'd love to see anything that you can do. Oh, yeah? We'll see this. Out of nowhere, bitch. What do you think about it? Oh my God, I love you so much. That was crazy. All right, so I kind of like this. Something might take it to the bar. It might be a cool little trick for me to do. All right, so we got a box right here. It looks like that it probably has shoes in it or something. I don't know what kind of, I think I do remember buying shoes. I don't know what kind of shoes shouldn't be sold online though, but okay. This is actually kind of exciting. I like my shoes and stuff like that. Used to be a sneakerhead of sorts. So it's custom shoes. What is that? Custom shoes right here. Very sick. Oh, yes! Yes! Okay, yeah, okay. So I remember these. Boom, right here. I found these online. It says sodomy on it. I thought that was hilarious. We have the other one right here. I can't even remember how much these were. Everything that I got was relatively, like, really cheap. But SODME, which I just thought was kind of funny. Like, it just says sodomy. So I thought it'd have sodomy shoes. I know that's like a SE-actual term. I don't know what it means, though. But I know it's like something kind of funny, I think. I can't really even remember what that is, but oh God, hopefully it's funny. I should probably search that real quick. Like Converse style, super cheap. I don't know why it says custom shoes on it, but gotta have it, man, you know? I should just start rocking shoes that say P-Ron Hub on it, you know what I mean? I think that's funny. I think that slaps. Definitely should not be sold online, because kids could buy this. I'm really trying to sell it, man. I don't know what the hell I just bought in this video. I've got a goddamn magic trick, for God's sake. Anyway, I think that's it. That's definitely it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like I say, I would love to title this, like it was supposed to be titled the way that I said in the intro, and the title you're probably looking at. I'd love to be titled it the other way of like the state that I'm in right now, but I can't, because I'll get demonetized. So anyway, Name Brand fans, real Sean, Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Also, NameBrandFan.com is very sick as well. Hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend. Hopefully you guys get a little bit of snack action, you know, from any girl that you like at school or whatever. As long as they're 18 or above, that's all I promote. I feel like a rapper right now talking so fast. Except I can't rhyme. I don't got bars for the dime. Bag. Sag. Slipping on some hag. Damn it. You can't sip on hag. You could actually. It'd be a little fucked up though. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, greatest of all time. I'm gonna go take a nap and edit this up. See you guys tonight when I upload it. Blah.